Okay, so my name is Brandon McKinney, and this is for Module 10 screencast assignment. And today I'm gonna instruct a little bit on how to do Common Core Standard 5th grade 5.G.1. It states that you should be able to use a pair of perpendicular number lines called axes to define a coordinate system, with the intersection of the lines, the origin, arranged to coincide with the 0 on each line at a given point in the plane located by using an ordered pair of numbers called its coordinates. It says understand that the first number indicates how far to travel from the origin in the direction of one axis, and the second number indicates how far to travel in the direction of the second axis. So with the convention that the names of the two axes and the coordinates correspond. Example, x-axis and x-coordinate, y-axis and y-coordinate. Okay, so what I've done here is instead of putting a graph on here from the internet, I've just got on Paint and kind of drew my own little graph. It's not much, but okay, so on this graph, the origin would be right here where the cursor is, and I've just drawn a couple lines for each axis, and not very big numbers, but I've got one point as 0, 1, so your first coordinate is going to be your x coordinate, and your second coordinate is going to be your y coordinate. So that would correspond with the first coordinate would go along with the x-axis, and then your second coordinate would go along with the y-axis. So if I'm at 0 on the x-axis, that means it doesn't move, and then 1 on the y-axis, that means I go up 1. Then you just put a little point right where your coordinate is. I know it doesn't look very good, but okay, so the next one is 2, -1, so you would go over 2 on the x-axis, and then since it's a negative number, you would go down instead of up on the y-axis. You would draw your little point right there. And the next one is -2, 3, so you would go left 2 points, and then up 3 on the y-axis. You just draw your point, and that's pretty much it. You learn how to travel from each direction in the origin, up or down on the x and y axis, and you were taught how to plot coordinate points. So there you go. Hope this helped. Thank you.